In this video, I'm going to explain how we can check the network speed between two machines. In this demo, I use iPerf, which is open source command line based application. We can check all the command line options from this documentation page like this. So this is a little bit too much at the first time, so that's the reason why I give you the demonstration in this video. And this download page, you can see they support many different OS like this. Anyway, let's get started. So in my test environment, I have two machines. One is server, the other one is a client machine. So server is on the left and client machine is on the right. And then also I download and save the iPerf in the folder like this. Now it's ready for the testing. So let's start from the server side. Open up the iPerf folder and then type cmd to open the command line tool like this. And then type iperf3.exe. This is a command. And the parameter is -s. So this means we open up the iPerf in the server mode. So port 5201 is listening port. So now it's waiting for any request from the client machine. So server side is all good. So move on to the client side. Open up the iPerf folder and cmd to open the command line tool. So type the same command iperf3.exe and this time -c. So this means client mode. And then specify the server to connect to. The server name is 242 Win 2019 EN. It's the name of the server. Then ready to check the bandwidth. Just hit enter. Now it's iPerf is checking the bandwidth every second. So at the end, they show the summary of sending and receiving. Nearly like a 250 megabit per second in sending and receiving in this environment. Let's run one more time. So we should get the nearly same result like this because there's no change of the network side. So now it's a 250 megabit per second in receiving and sending. So I'm going to reduce the bandwidth on purpose because the VirtualBox has a functionality to limit the bandwidth like this. So I'm going to set the 128 megabit in the client machine. So the changes apply to the client machine like this. And then run the same iPerf command. As you can see on the screen, now it's all the bandwidth is less than 128 megabit because we limit the network. So let's try reduce a little bit more, like 64 megabit this time, and then run the same iPerf command. Then we can see all the bandwidth, the check the bandwidth is less than 64 megabit. So it's good. So whenever something happens in your network, you can run this iPerf command to check the exact bandwidth at this moment. So this is a basic usage at this moment, but there's many different options available for you. So if you like it, just play with it and then it should be good for your troubleshooting stuff.